Hi, good morning. My name is Mr. Koh Teck Peng. I'm the group principal of KTP. We are a proof audit firm and a proof tax agent in Johor Bahru by the name of KTP. So let's walk through our office and then I'll show you around. Come. This is our ground floor. She's our HR. What's your name? Hey, please show her the. Okay, come. Thank you. So we go up. This is our second floor. I started 24 years ago, 1999. So I think next year we mark our 25th anniversaries. Okay. So why the name of KTP? Because I am Mr. Koh Teck Peng. Okay. So this is our second floor. Come. Keep on working, don't worry about that. Keep on working, okay? So this is our second floor. This is our common area. This is, right? We have all the books down here, technical books, something like that. Okay? Hey, we have a lot of books now, huh? Okay, then we go up to third floor, please. Come with me. The third floors. Coffee machines. I will show you our coffee machines. Okay? This is our second floor pantry. We have a coffee machines. Okay? I don't like my people to take 3-in-1 instant coffee. So I always promote brew coffee. Okay? We have fresh beans. Okay? We have fresh beans. Okay? So let's go up. A new office in Taman Molit. So this is our third floor. Okay, what's he gonna go after you? Okay, this is our manager room. Okay, I think they are working very tired. The look is very tired. I don't bother them. Okay, so down here is third floor. Keep on working, don't worry, huh? Okay, I need to shoot a video. Okay. This is another office, is THK office. This is our company secretaries and accounting department, okay? Down here is all the company secretaries, okay? Say hi. Okay, so we will move out. This is my partner, okay? She's working very hard, okay? Don't bother her, okay? So come. So we bought this building because the new Company Act 2016 actually auditors not supposed to house together with company secretaries and auditor. This is account department. Some of that are our account. 我在拍 video, okay? Okay, come. Okay, this is our training room. This is also our function room, whereby when we have group trainings, normally we do here, okay? Or we have a monthly celebration or monthly gathering, we also do here, okay? It's quite big, huh? Okay, thanks. Okay, 关掉。